Bubblebee. No.
What's the matter?
You're Bubblebee.
What are you doing?
Yeah, you play.
What are you doing? What? Do it again. Oh. Let Daddy help you. At least he knows how to do it, don't he? He don't know how to push the button. Hey.
What?
Don't do that. Let it sit out there. You got a fish.
Got it.
You got it.
Bubblebee.
What? Watch out, you're going to fall in.
There you go.
So I'm just a fishing.
Why?
Don't let it go.
Yeah, I see it.
Better hold on to it.
There's your little bobber out there. What are you doing?
Yeah.
What's this called?
Yeah.
Huh?
Fishing.
You fishing?
Yeah.
Who you fishing with?
Yeah, Daddy.
And who else?
Yeah.
Fishing with Granny? Can you say Granny?
Yeah.
Go say it. Granny. Papa.
Papa.
Papa.